Wow, look at that. The fish is just steaming nicely, everybody. Yeah, man, it's just going steaming. I might give it a little spin right now. Good vibes. This are eating up people, me are telling about, you know. Yeah, man, down by the riverside. Wow, looking at the pot. Yeah, man, beer things are going, people. That beer things are going. Yeah, man, it's just a quick thing. Yeah, man, big up yourself. We're in season 8. Yeah, man, it's a great vibration. We're here. We're down by the riverside, everybody. Yeah, man, things are going said way. Oh, what we got on the menu? So right now we're just chewing down some pumpkin, some carrot, some scotch bonnet pepper, some red onion, some garlic. Yeah, man, some ginger, some thyme. Yeah, man, a good vibe and some Irish potato. Oi, look at that. That looks so good, man. So good. So the essence of doing today's episode was just to big up everybody and thank everybody for being a subscriber on the 24-hour kitchen. It is a good vibes. Yeah, man, and we're there outside. Yeah, man, outside, man, everything's set up and we're there, man, a good vibes, people. Yeah, man, big up yourself. It's a nice vibes. Summer 2023 in England is come to almost an halt. Yeah, come to almost an halt. Alright, so what I did now, yeah, is filleted the sea bass. So we've got the fillet now of the fish. So waiting for the ingredients them in the pot to cook down nice and slowly and soften up, and then we're gonna place our fish in. Good vibes. Oi, look at that, man. Look at the sunset. Yeah, man, 24-hour kitchen. We're here to give you the what? The good essence. And the what? The good vibes. Tip a tiny bit of oil in there, because we're gonna place our fish inside of the pan right now. Good vibes. Alright, so yes, everybody, big up yourself. I'm just gonna add my fish in simply. I'm just gonna place it in the pan like so. Just gonna place it in the pan like so and just make it go and steam. Good vibes. Yeah, man, it's a fish fillet I'm dealing with today, people. No bones. Good vibes. Wow, look at that. The fish is just steaming nicely, everybody. Yeah, man, it's just going steaming. I might give it a little spin right now. Good vibes. Wow, look at that, everybody. So yeah, man, it's a good vibes. We come to a completion. Look at this. Take off the pot off the fire. That is it. Yeah, man, a good vibes. Gonna make it rest there for a little while, everybody. Yeah, man, and then we're gonna just share this out in a short while. Big up yourself, 24-hour kitchen. We're just welcoming season 8, people. Yeah, we're kicking off season 8. Look out for the big boy episodes and for season 8. Yeah, man, these ones are thank you episodes. Thank you each and every subscriber. This is what these episodes are about. The thank you ones. Good vibes. Man, our good vibes, people. Our good vibes. Wow, look at that fish fillet there. Yeah, man, nice. Big up yourself, everybody. Yeah, man, season 8. Welcome into season 8, people, yeah? People over by the riverside said we, and we're there. Everything done. We pack up and it's home time. Big up yourself, people. Good vibes.